Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss how we clone the code from the remote repository to our local system and how we check in our code in the remote repository. And also I will discuss what is the git fetch, git push and git pull commands. Here this is my repository. So initially when you are working with any organization, then they will share you the repository link where you need to push your code, and sometime you need to create the fresh repository on GitHub. But now here I have already created the repository, like you can see demo selenium, and we need to clone this repository at our local system, and then we will start working on the at local system locally. And once we complete the features and we complete the test cases, we need to push the code into the remote repository. So now first of all, like how we clone this repository into local system. So here are link, you can see. So there are HTTPS, you can clone with the help of using HTTPS, or there is another option SSH. So in SSH case, we need to create some public SSH keys, and then we need to add those local system. But now I'm going to uh, clone this repository with the help of using HTTPS URL, right? So when you found repository, go to your repository, log in into the uh, remote repository using the browser, and then you will found out the link like clone. When you open the repository, there is a button here. Select the first HTTPS. Here is a button, and you can just use the copy, right? Once you copy, then you can come back in your local system, create a folder, and then let me show you what command we need to run to clone the repository. Okay, here I have created one folder, that is, this is a blank folder. So similar type you can create any folder in your working directory, and make sure the GitHub uh, is already git already installed in your system. Open the git bash or cmd command terminal, and then here we need to run the git clone. Let me show you. You can see this is currently my working directory is desktop git. So now here I need to run the git clone. So git clone is a command, it accepts one parameter here, and this is the url. Okay, I just copied this, and I can paste here. This is url, this is our clone url, right? So we need to run the command git clone and then url, and then enter the text. What it will do, it will clone the repository and make a copy at our local system. So initially it will prompt a pop-up, and you need to enter the your git username as well as the password, and then it will automatically pull the all the code if your credential is okay in your local system. Now you can see here in this folder I can see the code, right? So this is the clone code from the remote repository. Now we need to move on the this local repo is demo selenium, and we can start working here. Okay, so now if we want to push the code we have worked at local system, like let me show you here. I'm going to make some changes in this file, like test2. I have added one extra line test2. Okay, so as we discussed in initial video, we need to first check the file changes file like this. So you can see here I have one file which we need to move the from unstage area to stage area, right? From working area we need to push into the stage area. So we need to run use the command git add hyphen dot, or we can also use the hyphen hyphen all. Okay, so now I have now next command I need to run use the commit and pass the message added one line in readme file. Okay, so now if we run the git commit command, so these changes will be committed to local repository, not a remote repository. So now the question is like how we push these changes into the repository, this commit to the remote repository. So there is a command git push. We need to use this and click on git push command. It will push your local commits to the remote repository. Now here you can see this is pushed under this repository from branch main to main. Okay, if I run again the push, then everything is up to date, right? So all the commits what we have locally check-in, that is pushed into the remote repository. So here now we discuss two commands, major commands. One is how we clone the repository from the remote repository. So we need to use the git clone, and this will be automatically clone the remote repository and make a copy of at a local, right? So when we are using the git clone, so we are using the git clone first time when we are want to clone, make the clone of repository at local system. After that we don't need to run the clone. Our repository will automatically associated link with the remote repository. And now every time if you want to get the code from the latest code from the remote repository, then we need to run, use the git push, git pull, not push, git pull or git fetch command that will pull the latest code from the repository to our remote repository to our local repository. And also if we want to push our changes into the remote repository, then we need to use the git push command. But make sure before running the put commands, git push command, you should commit your changes into the local repository. How we do that? You can add git add, so it will move the files from your working directory to your stage section, right? Next you need to run the command git commit, that will commit your local changes into a local repository. Once you commit the changes into the local repository, then you need to run the next command git push, that will push your local commits into the remote repository corresponding branches.